cleaned, we're gonna go ahead and start transforming it. But as you can see, there's just a bunch of like little things that I wasn't able to get out. But otherwise, it's pretty much way cleaner. Like the drawers. Way cleaner. So there are 3 drawers. There's just top 4 drawers. The top one that folds open, and 3 smaller ones. And my plan for it is to have main complete minifigures up here, and then all the parts like heads, helmets here, hair here, pants and torsos here, and then anything else in the bottom drawer, something like that. So let's get started on that. My idea for how to display the minifigs is pretty simple, I think. And so for it, I'm going to take one of these and one of these, and if I put them together and then stick them like this or something, then I can just display them like that while they're lined up. So I think I'm just going to repeat that multiple times.